Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's 5-minute ethics chat. Um, you guys did a great job on your quiz. If you feel like the material that we worked on wasn't helpful, please let me know. And then I'll make sure that I adjust however it needs to be adjusted. This week, you guys also have another quiz that starts Monday at 6 a.m., ends Tuesday at 6 a.m., and then you also have homework. This week's reading is chapter 11, which is on mandatory overtime, also known as forced overtime, which sounds so nice, doesn't it? Um, but anyways, so this week, the things you need to know about in order to kind of do well on the chapter 11 work is you really need to learn about the Fair Labor Standards Act. This is talked about a great deal at the beginning of the chapter. You'll find it on pages 156 and 157. Please know the ins and outs of that, or at least um, the pros and cons, I guess, of that. Um, the main thing that you will need to know this week comes to patient or client abandonment. You're going to need to know what that is, what that looks like. You're going to need who makes that call, when it's okay, when it's not okay, what the consequences are. And you will find that on pages 162 and 163. And also, and I can't stress this enough, please pay attention to the boxes and charts on page 163 because those will really help solidify your learning there. Um, and then furthermore, deeper into that issue, you need to learn what a conscientious objector is and why you need to know it. I mean, you're going to need to know what it is and when it's used or when it's okay to be used. Um, and then finally, the last kind of important point is going to be about the perioperative nursing um, and their safe staffing rules. You will find that information on the very first page of the chapter on page 155, and in the box that is 11.1, you will find a chart or a list of kind of all of the important safe staffing regulations that are involved in that. So basically, with mandatory overtime, um, safe staffing becomes a big issue because you are tired and fatigued and you've worked for who knows how long, but because it's mandatory, you can't just say no to working extra shifts. So that's where the ethics problem comes in, is that you are putting yourself at risk, you're putting your patients at risk, but does it matter to your bosses? So that's a very fine line that is really hard to navigate. That's what this week's reading is all about. Um, if you guys have any questions or concerns, you know you can email me at any time. Our office hours are Mondays at 10 o'clock, and that's just a drop in between the hour of 10 and 11. If you need anything, you just go to Zoom and click on the link that I posted during the first and second weeks. And then as soon as, I'm not with someone else, then I will get to you. So if you need to ask questions in person, that's the way to do it. Um, and like I said, email always works. And if you think that these things are not helpful to your learning, please let me know. I would love to adjust my teaching style to how you learned best because you're the ones that need to graduate, not me. Um, so let me know, you guys. And until then, I will see you next week for the same thing, an ethics chat. All right, bye bye.